If you want to flip a selection horizontally in GIMP, there are two easy ways to do it, and in this video, I'll show you both. The first method is the cleanest and safest, especially if you want to avoid damaging the pixels on your original layer. The second method is faster and more direct, but it creates a floating selection, so you'll want to know how to fix that afterward. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy GIMP tutorials. Let's jump in. First, let's use the recommended method. Start by making your selection using any selection tool you like, such as the rectangle select tool, ellipse select tool, free select tool, or even the fuzzy select tool, depending on what you need. Once your area is selected, press Ctrl and C to copy the selected pixels. This is the key step that keeps everything clean and gives you more control over the result. Now go to the top menu and click Edit, then Paste As, and then choose New Layer. What this does is place your copied selection onto its own separate layer instead of directly altering the original area. That means you won't leave behind a transparent hole in the source layer, which is one of the biggest advantages of this method. Once the pasted selection is on its own layer, go to Layer, then Transform, and click Flip Horizontally. Your copied selection will instantly mirror from left to right. Since it's on a separate layer, you can move it, reposition it, or edit it without affecting the rest of your image. This is the most beginner-friendly method if you want clean, non-destructive editing. Now let's look at method 2, which uses the flip tool directly. This method is a little faster, but it behaves differently. To begin, make your selection again using any selection tool. After that, activate the flip tool by pressing Shift and F, or find it in the toolbox. The icon looks like two opposing triangles, so it's usually easy to spot once you know what to look for. With the flip tool active, check the tool options panel, usually docked below the toolbox. Under direction, make sure horizontal is selected. If you ever need to switch directions quickly, you can also hold down Control to toggle between horizontal and vertical flipping. This is useful if you're moving quickly and want to change orientation without digging through menus. Now, click inside your selected area. GIMP will flip the selected pixels horizontally right away. However, this method creates what's called a floating selection. That means the flipped content is temporarily separate and not yet fully placed into a normal layer. If you leave it like that, it can be confusing and harder to work with. To fix it, open your Layers panel. From there, you have two main options. If you want the flipped content to stay on its own layer, click the New Layer icon to place it properly. If you want to combine it with the layer beneath, click the Anchor icon to merge it down. Either way, don't forget this step, because it's what makes the result usable in your project. So, in summary, if you want the safest and cleanest workflow, copy your selection, paste it as a new layer, and then flip that layer horizontally. If you want a quicker direct approach, use the flip tool, but remember to handle the floating selection afterward. Both methods work great in GIMP, and the best one depends on your workflow and how much control you want over the final result. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss more simple GIMP guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.